We're gonna act like you guys aren't seeing me just mess up the transitions right now. Hi. How's it going? I just ended my last stream if you're watching this one, because I was playing CS for a while, but now I'm gonna code some of Oddessy out a little bit. For those of you that are watching this past the stream date, Oddessy is a game that I've been working on for about 3 years now, and haven't really seriously fleshed it out into like an idea that can be made into like a real game until about a few months ago. Since then it was just kind of like some stuff thrown at the wall and wasn't really anything looking like a real fledged out or fully fleshed out game as of yet. So I've actually made some progress. I'll give you a really quick look at what it looks like right now, so that you can see that. Oh, I need to forgive me. Just do this really quick. Oh my goodness, I stink. Let me see. Where the heck did I do this? Oh yeah, I literally just got done throwing this in because I'm a big silly guy. Alright, so this is what the game is at right now. At least the main game loop. The idea is that this is like the central hub for the player, and this will be an online multiplayer game that I'm going to release through Steam. So once I get access to the Steamworks API and everything to do player-to-player connections, I'll start developing out the rest of the game a little bit more. Until then, I have been working on all of just the functionality of player mechanics, you know, the world and how it will work, the lighting, for example, items, inventory, and stuff like that has been my latest task at hand. So just kind of working on the basics right now, but it's slowly but surely coming along. So this is where it's at. I'll kind of show you around the ship so far. This is what everything's looking like. This, as you can see, it's very early test stages and everything. Yeah. We have this other little room over here. So I'm still working out things, mainly for the time being, inventory, item management, working out how the player will use items, and use weapons and stuff like that. So that's where I'm at. I'm just gonna hack away at some things right now. I'm trying to allow the player to use like a healing item, like one of the potions or the jugs that are on the ground that you just saw, and add some health to their health bar. So this code here is imported from an older project from GameMaker 1.4 or GameMaker Studio 1.4. This is GameMaker Studio 2. I'm just importing some old code from the older project because it's a little primitive and a little scattered. It's a lot like this newer version, but this one's a little less scattered, a little less I don't know. It's a less polished, or it's a more polished turd than the last one was, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to see what I have here for sprites on these health bars really quick. Should be pretty simple. It's just like, yep. Very simply, little red bars. Yeah, throw this into here so I can use the color palette I want. There you go. Let's see here. Maybe we can dual tone it, maybe, this time around. I wonder how that'll look. Let's show that. That was stamina bar. I gotta think about this now too. This is an issue. It's a very serious topic apparently. I did not know about this, and I'm glad I learned about it before I even got anywhere near completing the game, and I'd have to fix this later. But the I think it's the American Red Cross, or is it just Red Cross? I don't know if it's in just America that's in. The Red Cross does not like when games use the red cross symbol for first aid or health or anything like that. It just like, I guess it like somehow like deteriorates the meaning of what they do or something, and they will like actively sue people for using that logo, I guess. Which really is weird because I swear that I've played so many games where that's a thing, but it's specifically red crosses. So you can use green ones, for example, and it's just fine, or white maybe, but not red. And it's very strict on being a red cross, so it's very weird. So my workaround is probably going to be using green as healing anything, just like Risk of Rain 2 does, which is nice. Like the bustling fungus is a green item, so that I like the idea of just associating all healing things with green. I don't know what to do about stamina though. I'm thinking blue, because it can't. I don't want it to be red. That would make no sense at all. It's like healing should be red, but if I'm gonna make all the healing items green, then I kind of want it like maybe turn red whenever it's at low health or something, but mainly be red or mainly be green. So yeah, I want to make it the brighter green for sure. We'll see how it looks. I think I'm gonna end up liking just a flatter color more though. So I could do yellow as a, oh wait a second, I'm not able to see your chat here. For future, I think you can change the stream title. Oh, okay. Yeah, for some reason I saw that you were typing stuff, but I didn't have the live chat refreshed on my screen here. So green one full, orange one low. Yeah, orange could work. Orange would look like this here. So that would be the progression. Maybe I can make it go to red past orange, maybe, because that's like the typical thing that games do, you know. That orange looks so ugly though. I don't know if I like it. Maybe yellow. Maybe that can work. Stoplight colors. And then the stamina bar can just simply be blue. Like so. Yeah, it's very brown. I made this color palette a while ago with the sole intent of just trying to restrict colors a little bit. So this is a more like, I have two color palettes that I use, and I don't really use them specifically. I just want to allow myself to use them whenever I need to, not be like backgrounds only use the flat colors and players and objects only use the vibrant colors, because that would be a great idea, but then I always find myself being like, I just need something in between. I need something just a little different than what's in the bright color or the dark color palette, you know. It sucks. So I'm just allowing myself to use whatever. Yeah, I'm thinking full stamina be blue like this. And then whenever it gets really low, it turns this blue. And then maybe even lower, it turns like purple or something. Maybe that could work. That's kind of cool. And you say chug jug. I'm gonna put a shield, but it's not gonna be refilled with like consumable items. Like it's gonna be like a rechargeable thing that you have to like recharge at the ship, kind of like a Lethal Company style. It's like the flashlights and stuff. Yeah. So let me think here. I could give these a little more depth, I think. I think that would look cool. So let me see if I'm smart enough to do a little sprite sheet here. New small little image really quick. Put it in there. Oh my gosh, help me. Where is it? Fit to image? There we go. Jesus. Alright. Nope, not save all. Resource meters. This is all file sprites. Make a new folder in here. My UI. Did I just save it as a Gale file? I did. PNG. Okay. Let's make this right in here. UI. No, not edit all. I had a name for it that I just made up there. I think I just want to call it resource meters. Okay. Import strip image. Go to OO files. Sprites. UI. Resource meters. Okay, so for I think that's it, unless it's, no, that is 8 images. Sweet. They're a little out of order, but they're in here. I think I can just get rid of that guy. There we go. That should do. I just need to edit my code just a teensy weensy bit. Camera. So I have not made global HP variables yet. Global dots. Player HP. Just do this. Player 0. Just make an array variable. HP. Stamina. Oop. Shield. Cool. Make sure that the camera, oh, I can do this same exact code here, I think. Resource meters. Resource meters. Oh, what the hell? Hubby. How'd that happen? Let's see here. It's very Adult Swim vibes. I like it. Let's see here. So I kind of switched it up just a wee teensy bit. Let's see. We'll do. Let's So this is for player HP, so we'll do 0. This one we'll do 0, 1, 2. We'll do 3. Fourth sub image. Then I need to grab those variables for the camera. Funny how I don't even have the camera variable set in the camera. I should probably just... What's the cameras? I'm gonna change this to regular draw then. What's the camera's depth? Let's check that out. Instances, shift toggles, UI. I don't even think it's... Oh, there it is, camera. Does it matter? It's not drawing anything. I'm gonna try it. Why not? Negative 9999. Okay. This should at least kind of sort of give me similar results, but oh. Let's try it out. Player.hp. Where did it say that at? I need to read that error message again. HP. Oh, I'm dummy. I'm a dummy. I'm a dummy. Yeah. Hey! Oh my goodness! It's because there's 100. That's so funny. That's really weird though. It looks like that they're transparent or something's drawing over them. So can I change this to draw GUI and see what it does? Oops, I did not mean to do that for the character though. That was dumb. Camera object. Draw GUI. Try it out. That. Oh. That's right. It is drawing to a surface, and its position is relative. I set the position relative to the camera, but it's already drawing to a surface, I think. So I don't think I even have to. I'm just gonna try something really quick and see if it works. So I can undo all this too if I need to. But if my theory is correct, I think this should just place itself on the view correctly, but it will be scaled down the wrong way. Yep, that's cool. So all I need to do Y scale and the X scale going. This should work, in theory. Just copy this bit. There we go. Oh, I fucked up. What'd I do? It's expected. Does there need to be a comma there? Yes, there did. Okay. Yes, there did. Maybe. I didn't even realize that. Wait, what? So, like, what am I pressing that's making the screen do that? I mean, I guess I should figure this out now. Was it this one? Okay, I know what's going on. Maybe I just need to change my keys to be different things now. So this is gonna suck because I use my numpad all the time. I need to figure this out here really quick. I need to make like buttons that I can use for. Maybe I can use F key buttons. Maybe these will work. Let me try this one out here. Hotkeys. That doesn't do anything. Oh, jeez. Scared the piss out of me. I do smell what the rock's cooking. Damn. Let me think here. F9. I'm afraid to use F keys because it could like mess with the program and do stupid stuff if I'm Let me think here for a second, hold on. I'm gonna switch it over to... Okay, give me just a second here. Okay, let me see if my Logitech thing allows for me to change these keys to something cool. Whoa, F24, what the, what? F22, F23, F24. I gotta say, I've never heard of those function keys before. I hope this doesn't break my computer. Let's see. I'll put another one on there just in case for something else. Okay. Let me try that. That's crazy. That doesn't even seem real. F21, dude. That's crazy. Never in my life have I heard of that. About to start, I'll set that one too. Cool. Okay, now let's sit in Game Maker and make sure this doesn't kill anything. So let me just... Okay, nothing's happening. Okay, I think we're safe. I don't know what those keys typically do, but that's really weird. I had no idea there was 24 function keys. Okay. Well, arrow key is saved. I can now freely zip around the notepad with my arrow keys. That makes me very happy. Okay, so where were we? They're drawing correctly now. They're just a little goofy looking on the screen. So let me, and they also are, I need to like divide it by 10, I think. So let's do 10, and I'll do floor. That makes sense, I guess. The same here, but with that. Okay, so they do need to be spread out just to add a bit more. I think it needs to be -8, -8, and then 720. Why? Oh wait, no, the X is fine. No, it's not. No, it's not. I'm dumb. I am dumb. I am dumb, man. Just whatever I make this one, I need to also make it this guy here. Okay. That should look something like something. I don't know. They're both being drawn in the same spot, but that's pretty cool. That's damn close. And it's not being affected by the, yeah, okay, cool. I'm gonna take this visible thing off. I'm gonna see if it'll still draw the GUI. I'm just worried it won't. And it doesn't. Okay. We'll just take the sprite off, that's fine. Doesn't need one, just for organization purposes. Okay, that's nice. Oh no, it's like... Oh, it's way over here. Let's make it a... That's for real. Dang, dude, this is like... This is real resolution scale is what I think it is. That'll make no sense. What would 1600 put it at? Like, where the fuck am I here? Oh my goodness. Okay, that's all the way across the screen. 960? Good. I haven't made the sprint. I haven't made the sprint yet. Let's see here. Give me just a moment. Alright, I'm back. Oop, can't spell keyboard. Oop. Interesting. Oh, L shift. That don't do anything. Yeah, I'm a bit confused. This code here I have for H speed. If it runs into a wall, equals 0. It doesn't seem to do anything either. Oh, I'm a big dummy. I'm doing this all up here in the, this is all the online code. So, I'll just move this down here. Let's see if this works. Four. Let's try that. Oh. Yeah. Can't forget vertical speed. Okay, so we'll make if global.player 1 is greater than 100, this equals 1, maybe 0.5. So less than 100. Uh-oh. Open? Oh. There we go. Something's going goofy there. I did that backwards. Is greater than 0. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. That's working great. So now I can mess with, well, what I should do is also put in the back pieces to them too. One, two, three, or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember to put it behind it. To make sure it's in the correct spot. Should do it, I think. It doesn't refill up the entire way, so that means something's going on here. Double check that again to make sure I'm not seeing things. It's because it's floor, not seal. And I can do seal. I don't think that matters. Yeah, let's just do seal. Maybe that'll do. Boop. 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 There we go. Run cooldown equals false. Run timer equals 90. Sure. So if they are holding left shift, yeah. and cooldown equals true. Ooh. Alarm, was it alarm 4 now? Jeez. Run timer. Yeah, that should, in theory, work. The only thing I'm worried about is if they're still holding down shift, it may not run this code here. If, how about I just do this? That should in theory work. Alarm 4. Let's take this run down for. Yep. Let's see. Okay, that works. He does slow down, but I think I gotta change his run speed even more. Maybe how slow are they normally? That's agonizing. I hate that. What does 1.5 do? I know it's not good. Yeah. That looks awful. I mean, that's pretty slow for the most part, and that's a decent image speed equals, okay, plus 2. Let's do that. H speed divided by 2. Short. This is stupid, but it'll work. Yep, it works. The sound's getting stupid. Let's see. Can I do this? This should work, right? I'm not stupid for doing this. Yeah. does a full cycle, but it doesn't work. I really wish I had a better code for the footstep noises, but I'm not smart enough, unfortunately. What the hell is this gonna do, man? It's gonna like skip a frame or something like that, I bet. Nope. Round. That don't work fucking either. It's a hard thing for me to like wrap my head around right now, because the image index system in GameMaker is kind of goofy sometimes, where like it's running as an integer, so it's hard to check it sometimes correctly. Like I don't even know what I do. Like what is it? That maybe? And then it's gone, you know? It's all the less than and equals to things, you know? It's like slipping something, like one of the numbers are slipping out of it. I don't know where. 3.9 4. Shit, man. It really stumps me sometimes, this stuff. One second. Whoop. Hi. Oh, yeah. Okay. Make a key press that will hurt the player. Alt. Okay, and then the drag holder then an object. So what this is O inventory. I want drag holder. There you go, thank you. Point. Point is in a rectangle. We want O player dot x minus 12. Y. Yes. Oh, I'm dumb. There we go. Mouse X and Y right there. Plop. So if I'm right clicking and I am over the player, well, first off, player draw event. If what am I doing? GPU on mode. And then back to normal. wouldn't add maybe max. I think add would do it. Make this easy, I guess. Okay, so it is working, it's just not doing the blend mode correctly. Or I'm not using my brain well enough. Course color. None of that is working. I'm not very smart. I don't know. It's... This wouldn't do it. Oh, okay. Very weird. You would think that this would do something, like at least amplify the color a little bit, but it does not do that. Source color? No. Max. That's so weird. One? What does that even mean, huh? Really don't want to, Look for some different music for a second. Play, please. Gotta find out a way to like I love Matharu, by the way. Hello, other viewer. How are you? I don't know if that's just my other Chrome thing opened with my... I'm not on the stream anymore, so... Hello. I'm over here developing a game of mine. I'm trying to look up a little refresher for surface flashes and all that.
I mainly use this to show damage when an enemy is hit. So let's get to it. Here I have the player sprite and object. Before adding code to the object, I'll create a shader and name it as flash. I'll open the fragment shader. This is where it gets the color of the pixel from the texture page. After this line, I'll add this. This shows the sprite's blend color and alpha. Using RGB, I'm getting the color and setting it to the final pixel's color. So this means that it will use the blend color and not the actual sprite's color. So this way, if you set the blend color to red, the sprite's color would be completely red. To learn how shaders work, check out my blog post here. Now I'll open our player and add the create event. Here I'll add this. This is the alpha of the flash and this is its color. Now I'll add the step event and add this here. When the left mouse button is pressed, the flash alpha will be set to 1. And if the flash alpha is greater than 0, it will be reduced. Now I'll add the draw event and add this here. This will draw the object sprite and this path will draw the flash. If the flash alpha is greater than 0, it will activate the flash shader. With the flash shader, the sprite will be drawn with all its default values except the blend color and alpha, which will be replaced by a...
That's really simple. That's really simple. I can use that to my advantage. Let's see here. Let's make that shader. That's literally .rgb. .rgb. I believe that was it. Yep. Cool. And I'm gonna call that flash. Flash on equals false. There's flash. Draw. And instead of all this, actually, I guess I do have to draw that just after. Turn off this and this. And then shader reset, and then right here it's on. I don't even need that that variable, honestly. That's just nonsense. Just get rid of that. never referenced, so look at that, man. Got his arms peeking through. So that kind of sucks. But I don't know if I care enough, to be frank. You know, I don't know if I care now. I wonder if there's some sort of like, no, I don't know if I can GPU set anything here to change that. At least it's kind of working, so I'm gonna take that for now, I think. I want to move on and actually get this thing working, so let's do that. Okay, so I have to make sure. If holding item equals items dot green potion, green drink, so this is if he's holding a green drink. Holding amount. Okay, I also need to, I guess I need to do all of this. If holding amount is less than just going to take away the amount, and then if the holding amount is equal to 0, then the holding item will equal none. But in the meantime, we'll build that. Make some variables to shorten this a bit. Equals this. This is mouse over player, and this will be mouse over inventory. That should, I think that will fix my issue. Let's hurt the player. There we go. Okay, that's cool. That's using an item. If holding an item, I really put on my thinking cap here. Okay, hold on a second. Create event of the items. Where's the item list here? Stats. Item index. That makes a lot of sense to me. Just need to access it correctly. Like it is. Holding item, I think this will work. Okay, so if effect equals 1, then it's a healing item, thus we can drink it. So effect is equal to 1. So if it is a healing item, it will take away the holding amount. Holding items will equal none and blah 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 blah. Plus equals effect amount. Will that work, ladies and gentlemen? No! Okay. Do I just do thing item? Nope. Oh. Hey, let's go. It didn't crash. Let's make sure it actually works now. Let's go. Oh, that one didn't work. So the very last one doesn't heal. That makes sense because I'm doing this after that. I need to put it up here before it goes to 0. So that should work. Plop, plop, plop. Yeah, sweet. The That's awesome. That shit makes me so happy. Alright. Wow, okay, so that works. So that's only checking if it's a healing item. So technically if we were to try to use something else on us, it would never work. Nothing actually should work. So nothing else has been set to anything, so except for Green Boy. That's cool. That's really cool. Oh my god. Okay. Guess that means I should flesh out some more objects. It's so funny how that doesn't work. It's only specifically this. I'm so silly. Healing. Green drink. And then all we'll do, we shall copy and paste these for the others. So let's see, blue drink. It's a blue drink. Yeah, we'll give it the same thing. Same thing, same thing. This one will be 25. I don't even know. I don't know what would piss people off as far as max stacks and all that shit. Cold drink. Ooh. Cold drink. I think I'll change it up. Why not? Let's make it a little different. Wait, H2O. It'll do. Cold drink. Like some shimmery note. Like Goldschlager. Make this one be a 50. Max stack 8. Nah, we'll make it 12. Why not? Gold drink. And purple drink. That's called, right? Purple drink. That's a red drink. Oops. Thick and sludgy. Smells like pennies. Purple. Ooh. It is purple, yes. I just didn't look at it earlier. Stardust swirls in the jar. Cosmic juice. Make it heal for 100. Stack 4. Okay, the rarity 5. I need to make sure I do this right for all of them. Gold drink 2. Oh yeah, that's cool. Now there's like a rarity for every type of... That's really neat. Okay. So let's pick up some of these boys. Interesting. Does not fill in its stuff. Oh, I'm a big silly guy. Okay. What I get for copying and pasting, you know. I also need to swap green drink around so that it's... I'm a silly little guy. I'm a silly little guy. It was purple because purple was the last drink in the list, and it keeps resetting it over and over again. I'm saying this out loud so that I can remind myself. And so if anyone's curious of how this works, why I'm seeing the things I'm seeing. Red drink. And last but not least, baby. That feels so nice. I hope this works. Okay. Let's pick up some things. Purple drink. Stardust. Swirls in the jar. Red drink. Freaking sludgy. Gold drink. Let's see. What happens with the green? Regen plus 15. Interesting. I wonder if that's controlled. I control that in the slot draw event for some reason. Show effect. Is this something in the item list that I missed? It's a region, but like I don't know how that's possible. Show effect. Show description history. So funny coming back to some of these codes. I don't remember half of it. Oh, there we go. Show effect. Region. Heal. Sorry, I have this list here. Healing, attack damage. Yeah, okay. Just put healing for now. Just curious why I didn't do the other ones though. funny that it only does it for the green. Yes, grid. See. So how did I just reference it just a little bit ago? Yep, this is what I need here. I need to get used to using this more. Inventory slot. Global dot item index. Status effect. That actually should work. Oh wait, no. Holding is the that's what's in the yeah. That should work, right? It does seem to be working. Very cool. I have not implemented max stacks yet. I could do that. This playlist is awesome. Okay, so let me handle max stacks. While I need to paste that thing again. Maybe. Stack. while amount is greater. And to create an instance of the object. Oh my goodness. That's so funny. Ooh, 1 second.
Since the time we met, we lost our way again. That's when we were heaven sent. But remember, it's the hard to escape from the gates, shutting tight on our lives, on our side. This will be your choice. You have the power, fingers that your command, or else you too will fall.
I will be right back.
Winner take all. You are the initiate. You are
Alright, I'm back. Yellow. Gotta figure out what's going on with this. This work? This seems like it should work, but it's not. Just keeps creating them though. So it needs to be items to item. Hi, Audrey. What? I'm trying to figure this out. Can't figure it out. Nothing, man. I don't understand. This is a tough one. See if this does anything. Not really. This does not make any sense to me, man. It is everything else except for the jugs. Let me see if I can do this here. Hey. That works. That's pretty awesome. Cool, man. Yeah, baby. That's cool. Oh, that's great that it's actually doing what it's supposed to now. To make sure that when adding items, amount that's associated, there's a max stack of 4 in this one. Should in theory work, right? This line up here is for shift dividing stacks, but I'm not checking it correctly, I don't think. This whole thing is if it's empty. I don't necessarily need to do any of this, I don't think. trying to think about how to go about this max stack system here. It's kind of hard to determine, like, it's gotta check the max stack before it gets picked up. And it's gotta somehow kind of cycle through the difference if there's too much to pick up at a time. Okay, I could just leave it out. I don't have to do anything inside of this script. I could just do the math inside of the objects themselves, I think. No, I don't think I can do that either. I think I gotta do it inside the script. It keeps going until it's true, or until it's true. If the amount plus whatever's in the inventory already is less than Let's see here. Game maker accessing return values. Well, I think this is a good starting or stopping point than any. I gotta get some rest before it's too stupid. I will be on later today though, for sure. So I will see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.